Welcome to Yavin, an open source data application framework. Yavin can also be used as a standalone business intelligence platform for your immediate data needs. Here are the top 5 reasons why we think Yavin might work for you. At number 5, starting with Yavin is very fast, really fast. It will only take you a few minutes to have Yavin running. All you have to do is clone the repo and run the boot run script. At number 4, using the Allied semantic model language, you can build your connection, define your tables, dimensions, measures, and finally model your joins. Quickly gain insights using your models with easy to understand natural language explanations. At number 3, with its simple and intuitive interface, you can tell stories with dashboards. Its compelling visuals helps you to quickly grasp what the data has to tell. Interactive visualizations, backed by analytics, are explained in terms that everyone can understand. At number 2, customize the look and feel of your data applications. With the Denali's themable design system, you can build with your unique visual style. At number 1, Yavin is a framework that can be extended to fit your software needs. You can add new building blocks with new custom application views and experiences to fit your customer needs. Be sure to download Yavin today and see how it can work for you.